Hi, it's Sam from Intrinsic Dev. This video I want to take you through how to set up our Lightwave RF driver for Elan G. So once you've got the driver from our website, head over into Configurator, go to Lighting, and we're going to add a new lighting interface. So we right click Lighting Interfaces, Add New Interface. It doesn't appear in my list of drivers, that's fine, that's to be expected. We hit Select Folder, point it to the desktop, click OK, and there we go. We've got Lightwave RF 21.5.2 is the current release as of this video. Click OK to install. The driver will install. It'll activate itself from our cloud server, provided you've bought a license and the MAC address is valid. There we go, that's complete. Now the Lightwave driver itself is also cloud-based, so there's no local connection to your Lightwave RF hub. This is by design, this is a Lightwave feature. This is not something we have any control over. In order to get that to work, we're going to need an API key and a refresh token. To do that, head over to the Lightwave RF website. That's the my.lightwaverf.com site where you can log in and actually control your system. Down the left hand side of the screen there are a couple of tabs. You want to go to the bottom one, go to Settings, go to API, and we want to create a new API key. To do that, you'll need to enter your password. So the top one is the API key, the long one, and the bottom one is what we call the refresh token. So copy and paste, and just take those over to Configurator and paste them in. Let's grab the refresh token. Now it's worth pointing out that the refresh token is unique to the instance of the driver. So what I mean by that is if you delete the driver after you've set it up, say you're practicing setting your system up, or you've came across an issue and you want to reinstall it, or you're moving it from one control to the other, whatever the reason is, if the driver has been connected and disconnected, you will need to go back to the Lightwave RF page. You will need to manually refresh it by hitting refresh token. It'll ask you for your password again, and it'll give you a new refresh token. The API key will stay the same. This is in order to keep the system fully in sync. So if you change the driver out, you'll need to refresh the token and put the refreshed version of the token into GTools. From there on, Elan will automatically refresh its own tokens and stay connected. So once we've got those two keys entered, we'll just click Apply. And there we go, it's automatically discovered. There is a manual discover button which will automatically trigger the discovery mechanism, but on a first connect, it will discover itself and it'll pull in the circuits. So we've got wall switch. These are two halves of a light switch, the two circuits in a single UK dimmer. These are the two sockets on a UK socket, and this is the relay of one of those wire-in relays. At the minute we do not support the relay in curtain mode, and we also do not support the wireless TRV valve for the heating control. They are coming later in an update. So that's it, couldn't be simpler. A nice easy driver, dimming and switching control available with feedback. Feedback at present is on a 30 to 60 second delay, so if you make a change in Lightwave, it will be anywhere up to a minute before the driver actually catches up on that. That really shouldn't be an issue unless your client is literally looking at the Elan app while turning lights on and off, which hopefully is a rare enough scenario. That's it guys, that's the Lightwave driver. Thanks for watching.